Our story is about unique agricultural company Agrofirma Shakhtar, which branches have the same target – restoration of Ukrainian agricultural production. Yefim Zvigilsky, hero of socialistic labor, hero of Ukraine, People's Deputy of Ukraine, Chairman, Leaseholder Council, is a true author of an idea of establishment of agricultural company. What was at the beginning? In 1997, a many thousand staff of mine named after Zasyadka decided to invest into agriculture of the region, a part of the profit gained from coal production. Implementation of the strategic project actually became a benchmark of establishment and formation of Agrofirma Shakhtar. Today, Agrofirma Shakhtar is a huge multi-sector complex that includes over 30 farms in Konstantinovka, Slaviansk, Krasny Liman districts in Donetsk region and Barvinkova district in Kharkov region. Environmentally clean products are properly delivered for sale not only to cities but also to small villages in Donetsk and Kharkov regions, where shops of Agrofirma Shakhtar are located. Today, 3,500 persons are employed at branches of Agrofirma Shakhtar. Crop sector is one of the key sectors of Agrofirma Shakhtar. It provides steady development of animal breeding as a main special sector of Agrofirma. For this purpose, large plots have been retained where all crops are growing which are required for animal breeding sector. Total land area 73,827 hectares, including arable lands 62,000 hectares, irrigated lands 5,400 hectares, trickle irrigation 93 hectares, and hayfield and pasture lands 13,000 hectares. Almost half of land area, 46.3%, are covered with grain crops. Technical crops cover 10.5%, feeding crops 30.2%. Vegetables, cucurbitaceous crops and potatoes cover 0.4% and 12.5% are bare fallows. During the last year of Agrofirma existence, crop planting was one of the most complex activities. The key issue was how to reduce cost of animal breeding products. What decision should be taken? Agrofirma's agronomic service had analyzed and experience gained by leading farms of the country in the sector and applied recommendations given by famous Ukrainian scientists, plant growers. Today, Agrofirma Shakhtar successfully applies biological system of crop farming. It is based on service, tilting and use of green crops. Method proved itself as simple and high efficient. Wide-level appliances mulch the soil. This provides significant saving of fuel and lubricants, the reasonable use of manpower sources. Practice has shown that all this provides constant high crop yield even during the period of insufficient moisturing of soil. Ordzhonikidze branch can be well named as leader in vegetable growing. Trickle irrigation system with application of Israel-made equipment provides planting of broad range of vegetables as tomatoes, cucumbers, onion, cabbage, pepper, beet and aubergines. All these products are highly demanded in region because customers are confident that vegetables are grown according to contemporary technologies and in environmentally clean conditions. During all seasons, grass greenhouses are operated at Ordzhonikidze branch. Area 1 hectare. System of warming, moisturing of soil and premises is operated with computer software. This allows strict following of planting technology and thus to get a good crop. In consideration of transfer to biological agriculture system, crop rotation implementation at Agrofirma Shakhtar is going to its finalization. For more reasonable use of heavy-duty wide-level equipment, field enlargement is under process. Efficiency is significant. One team, consisting of 2 operators on versatile tractor, 425 horsepower, combined with FG18, 35 cultivator and ATD 1835 seeder, treats 5,000 hectares of land. It is worth to say compliments to beekeeping. Practically every branch has apiaries with 2 bee families. This kind of activity is bothersome, but it gains certain profit. Well, blossom herbs, buckwheat and sunflower, everything is in use. Beekeepers of Agrofirma provide annual production rate of 30 tons of honey, a healthy and high-quality product. A key sector of agrofirma activity is animal breeding. Its share in agricultural product sales make up to 60%. This activity is provided by 14 branches of agrofirma. Figures are also impressive. Cattle amounts to 18,000 heads, including 5,000 cows of milking herd of Holstein and Frisian, Simmental, Ukrainian red-marked and red steppe breeds. One of the self-evident achievements of agrofirma is fattening animal breeding complex in Ukraina branch, where almost one-third of agrofirma cattle is placed. This is a modern agricultural enterprise that operates according to European standards. Scientific approaches and management innovations are implemented here for the total range of process chain as sanitary inspector rooms, treatment, breed, mechanized distribution. Hay storage premise and fodder production sectors are also available. Average annual capacity of agrofirma Shakhtar subsidiary is about 30,000 tons of milk, with 4.5 thousand kilograms of milk yield per fodder cow. Some cow breeds, as Simmental and Holstein, have milking yield of 7,000 kilograms. All these achieved thanks to the work of complex employees led by Alexander Chipiga, branch director. Livestock breeders do not live for the day, they operate a planned economy. For instance, complex daily requirement in feed batch makes up to 120 up to 150 tons. In view of such great amount of work, following of all process requirements is of a vital importance. It is clear that science shall help. Therefore, branch established beneficial cooperation with Bielaya Tserkov Agriculture Institute and Kharkov Animal Breeding Scientific Research Institute. Remarkable is that this huge animal breeding complex is operated with only 60 persons. Specialists, rearing and fettering operators, feed workshop mechanic operators, mechanics for feed distribution. Many of them are multifunctional professionals. Similar approach is implemented in Krasnaya Zvezda branch. App premises are equipped with equipment of Germany company Big Dutchman. At this big farming complex, livestock of pigs of French selection, large black local selection, London's English selection, large white and Alba terminal boars are bred. In some branches, this figure reaches over 800 grams and more. From 2006, Lease Enterprise Mine, named after Zasyadka, and agrofirma Shakhtar subsidiary implement pig breeding development and pig meat production profitability increase program. This strategy is based on best global technologies of keeping and feeding of animals, as well as achievements of global genetics in pig breeding. Figure for this agrofirma animal breeding sector amounts 60,000 heads of pigs. To improve sector efficiency, great work has been done. For this purpose, special laboratory of Minitube company is purchased. It was commissioned in March 2006. Laboratory is equipped with modern microscopes, photometers, etc. In Europe, numbers of the similar laboratories does not exceed 10. Average daily weight increasement is 440 grams, including 650 grams at a fattening. Every year, the agrofirma poultry farming sector is expanding. Figures expressively prove the scale. Today, at the agrofirma branches, over 2 million heads of poultry are kept, including 15,000 geese, 5,000 pheasants, 600,000 hens, 1,200,000 turkeys and 1,300,000 broilers. Annual average egg production volume is 150 million pieces. Hens laying ability in average is up to 300 pieces a year. Svitanak branch is often named in Agrofirma as Poultry Kingdom. Main part of poultry breeding sector is concentrated here. It really has huge scale. 600,000 seeds for high-sex white cross layers and Hexas brown layers Holland breed, 200,000 young poultry of this breed and 1,800,000 broilers, Ross 308. For last years, poultry livestock production rate grew by 5 times. Sheep farming started at Agrofirma recently, but there are some results. Over 2,000 sheep are kept in flock at Ordzhonikidze branch and Ilyichovsky branch. There are 3 breeds: Askanian Merinas dual-purpose sheep, Tavrian type, Dnipropetrovsky dual-purpose sheep, and Latvian dark-headed dual-purpose sheep. Goat livestock amounts to 600 animals. Goat farm meets contemporary requirements. Care is taken about high-quality feed for animals and perfect premise for keeping. Goat milk is of a high demand among customers. In addition to traditional agricultural sectors being typical for our area, Agrofirma deals with horse farming and exotic species of animals as well. These are European red deer and axis deer. Agrofirma has pheasant farm and ostrich farm as well. Horse stud farm is located at Krasnaya Zvezda branch. Just some years ago, upon initiative of Yefim Zvigilsky, a stud farm has been arranged here. Initially, a small herd of about 50 horses was kept here. This good activity is continued. Today, farm became a real horse stud farm where over 300 horses of various breeds are kept. Many times, their elite representatives became prize winners of Ukrainian and international level competitions.